In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Clickfunnels account. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Once you complete this process and confirm deletion, your funnels, pages, and other content associated with your account can be permanently removed. So if there's anything you might want later, go ahead and back it up or export it before you start. Let's begin inside your Clickfunnels dashboard. First, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and find the option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage all the main settings for your workspace. Once the settings page opens, locate and select the billing section. Billing is where your active plan and payment details are managed, and it's the starting point for canceling your subscription. When you click into billing, Clickfunnels will open the Customer Center in a new tab. Give it a moment to load. In this Customer Center, look for the tab called Subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions and you'll see a list of all the plans tied to your account. Find your active Clickfunnels plan in that list, since that's the one we're going to cancel. Next, to the right of your plan, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the menu for that specific subscription. From the options that appear, choose Manage Subscription. This will bring up more detailed controls. Here, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription and click it to start the cancellation process. At this point, Clickfunnels will ask you to choose a reason for canceling. You might see options like cost, not using the service, or moving to a different tool. Select whichever reason fits your situation best. Then click Continue to move on. Now you'll see the final confirmation step. This part is important. You'll be given the option to click Cancel My Account, and then a more definitive option labeled Cancel My Account and Delete All My Content. If you're absolutely sure you want everything removed, click that final confirmation option. You may be asked one more time to choose a reason and then click Submit to finalize the request. Once you've submitted that final confirmation, you're done. Your subscription is canceled and your Clickfunnels account is scheduled for deletion along with its content. That's the full process from start to finish.